That's one. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go all the way into there. Should be good. Let's get the other one. Let's see, I'm trying to do this one hand here. All right. All right, so I made these so they pivot. All right, we'll go around a couple times, make sure everything's good. Holy crap. Thing's better than I thought. Oh, nice, nice. It took all of just a couple minutes. That ain't going nowhere. Oh yeah, I like it. So we're home. Just gonna release these, get them all loose first, and then we'll just disconnect. I don't want to leave the tension on them while the thing's sitting here. So let's see if I can reach. I'm kind of short. There we go. Look at that. This is so awesome. Put a little leaf in there though. Get that out of there. Alright. These things are working out so good. You can see just how quick, how easy it is. It's saving me tons of time. One more. Turn this one-handed. Release. Oh. I didn't want to just let it fling back. That's it. So I'm gonna leave this on the trailer for a day or two, no big deal. But that's it. Just wanted to do another little update on these straps. These things are working out phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes,